So this is how to fix an OTA guest folio after checkout. And the reason why I've pulled this out is because your step number one is actually that you need to contact Expedia to reactivate that virtual card. That virtual card, when it was issued at the time of booking to the hotel alongside the third party, the Expedia reservation, that credit card is only active for a certain window of time around the guest arrival date. So usually within 24, 48 hours, it's active on the arrival date. But now because we're trying to correct that some days past the actual departure date, you need to first reach out to Expedia. Usually they will reactivate it. They may also offer you an alternate or issue an alternate virtual card. Whatever they do there, we can then proceed to step two and three to then fix those issues in Roomkey. So step number two, once we've contacted Expedia, step number two is to reverse the guest payment on the guest folio. So I got a little video here that's going to show us. You're going to find the guest reservation here in the checked out screen, and just notice here that the reservation did come through with the Visa, or sorry, with the MasterCard from Expedia. But here, if I take a look at the credit card info for that payment, it's actually the guest credit card that was used for that payment. So that's the issue that we need to fix right there. We're going to right click, select reverse, and we're going to give this money back to the guest. So we'll say that this is a posting error, and you'll click OK. Now this is going to refund that amount back to the guest credit card. There we go. And because we used reversed, it removed that payment. It moved it over to Folio 9. So on Folio 9, this is where you can see the original payment using the guest card and the reversal, sending that money back. Right. So once you have reversed that payment, you do still have to take payment. So step number three is to balance that folio using the post payment, and this time we're going to use the OTA virtual card. So once again, we're here on the guest reservation. We can see that charge is outstanding. I have that outstanding amount. So I'm going to click post payment, and you want to make sure that it's pulling through that Expedia virtual card and the correct amount there. Okay, exit. So what that's going to do is now process using that virtual card issued by Expedia, and we'll now see that payment on the folio, which is now balanced here. So a couple of extra steps are required because of that virtual credit card activation there, but it is still possible to clean up all of those items for the guest. Now, I just want to make note of a couple of things here. When the guest actually looks at their credit card statement, if they're looking at it on the day that you do the reversal, they may only see this line item, this refund, as a pending transaction. Now, we cannot control how long it takes for this to move from pending to actually confirmed transactions. That is dependent upon the guest's banking institution or credit card holder information there. So we can say that it has been refunded. And if you do want to provide documentation for the guest, what you can do is actually generate Folio 9. So here I've just selected the guest folio. I've printed the guest folio, but I've selected Folio 9. And that's actually going to show that refund so that you can provide that information showing the guest that they've got that refund pending. When they look at their cardholder statement, they should see that as a pending transaction or refund back to their card. One more thing to note is that for the benefit of your accounting team, if they would like to see this refunded or this information, ensuring the correct charge, room charge, and then payment using the virtual card, that's going to show up on Folio 8. So you would do the same thing. You would select guest, you would print the guest folio, but this time you would select Folio 8. And that's going to be for the benefit of the accounting team. That is what was processed to the Expedia virtual card.